explain the crucial role of judicial decisions and case law in shaping and interpreting those laws. Judicial decisions. A judicial decision, also known as a court ruling or judgment, is the determination made by a judge or a panel of judges in a legal case. It outlines the court's interpretation of the law, the facts of the case, and how the law applies to those facts. Judicial decisions are typically issued in writing and explain the reasoning behind the court's conclusions. Case law. Case law, also known as common law or judgment law, refers to the body of law created by judicial decisions. In common law system, judicial decisions have a significant impact on the development of the law. When a court decides a case, its decision becomes a precedent, meaning that it serves as a guide for future cases involving similar legal issues. The importance of judicial decisions and case law. Interpretation of the law. Courts play a vital role in interpreting and clarifying the meaning of statutes and regulations. They analyze the language of the law, consider its legislative history and purpose, and apply it to the specific facts of the case before them. Filling gaps in the law. Sometimes the statutes and regulations may not address every possible scenario or may be ambiguous in their language. In such cases, courts can fill in the gaps by making decisions that clarify the law and establish new legal principles. Adapting to change. Case law allows the law to evolve and adapt to changing social, economic, and technological circumstances. As new issues arise, courts can interpret existing laws in light of these changes, ensuring that the law remains relevant and responsive to contemporary needs. Protecting rights and liberties. Judicial decisions play a crucial role in safeguarding individual rights and liberties. Courts can review laws and government actions to ensure they comply with constitutional protections, such as due process, equal protection, and freedom of speech. Resolving disputes. Case law provides a framework for resolving legal disputes in a consistent and predictable manner. By following precedents set in previous cases, courts can ensure that similar cases are treated similarly, promoting fairness and equality before the law. The doctrine of stare decisis. The principle of stare decisis, which means to stand by things decided, is the cornerstone of common law systems. It requires courts to follow precedents set by higher courts within their jurisdiction. This doctrine promotes consistency, predictability, and stability in the law. Exceptions to stare decisis. While stare decisis is a fundamental principle, it is not absolute. Courts may deviate from precedent under certain circumstances, such as when a prior decision is clearly wrong, outdated, or inconsistent with fundamental principles of justice. Judicial decisions and case law are essential components of the legal system. They shape the interpretation and application of laws, fill gaps in the law, adapt to changing circumstances, protect rights and liberties, and resolve disputes. By understanding the role of judicial decisions and case law, you can gain a deeper appreciation for the dynamic nature of the law and how it evolves over time.